In this video, I will share the results of a 2026 case study where I replaced 30% of my warehouse staff with agency workers. The outcome was surprising. In 2025, our warehouse faced a crisis. Order volumes surged by 47% year-over-year, leaving our 85 permanent staff overwhelmed, leading to spiraling overtime costs and rising customer complaints. Hiring became a major hurdle. With a 28% national vacancy rate, we spent 34 days on average trying to fill roles, even with job postings across 12 platforms. These shortages severely impacted our metrics. Picking times increased, accuracy fell, on-time dispatch dropped, and overtime costs soared by 156%. To address this, we made a strategic shift, transitioning 30% of our staff to agency workers. We maintained 60 core permanent employees and brought in 25 agency staff for better scalability. We carefully evaluated 6 staffing agencies, prioritizing logistics expertise above all else. We chose a partner with 12 years of industry experience. We implemented a 4-week phased rollout, ensuring each new cohort completed a structured 2-day induction covering safety and systems before starting their duties. Our training process was highly efficient. Modules covered everything from WMS and scanning to equipment safety. Impressively, 80% of staff reached target productivity within just 1 week. Results from week 1 exceeded our expectations, with an 82% target picking rate and 100% attendance, while building a positive culture among all staff. Agency worker attendance was remarkably high at 97.3%. Their backup system meant absences were covered in 2 hours, finally letting us plan our staffing with confidence. Productivity metrics showed significant gains. Picking times fell, orders per hour rose to 43, and daily throughput increased by 27% to 15,800 orders. In the packing area, we saw a 32% increase in output per worker and a 94% station utilization rate, with shipping errors dropping to near zero. Picking accuracy climbed to a record 99.4%. The combined effect of training and motivated staff resulted in massive reductions in errors and returns. We saved 18,400 pounds monthly on overtime. The average weekly overtime dropped from 14.2 hours to 4.8, drastically improving our team's work-life balance. Ultimately, morale improved across the board. The fresh energy from our agency staff helped reduce burnout and created a much more supportive, high-performing culture. The new model significantly improved our flexibility. We were able to scale our team up to 95 workers during peak periods, while comfortably reducing staff during quieter times. Our agency workers helped us handle a Q4 2025 peak with 22,000 daily orders, representing an 89% volume increase. We maintained 99.1% accuracy and had 0 safety incidents. Financially, we saved 4,300 pounds per worker annually compared to permanent staff, leading to a total net annual saving of over 340,000 pounds. Beyond labor, we saw operational savings too, with significant reductions in error correction, return processing, and equipment maintenance, totaling nearly 140,000 pounds annually. Customer satisfaction also improved. Faster deliveries meant our rating increased to 4.6 out of 5, while negative reviews regarding slow or incorrect deliveries fell by 73%. Our management team saw immediate benefits. Feedback highlighted reduced stress, increased productivity, and a shift in strategy that made agency workers a permanent fixture. We did face challenges, such as initial worker turnover and some team integration friction. However, these were successfully addressed with structured communication and better system. Key lessons included the importance of selecting the right agency partner, phasing in the transition, and maintaining transparent communication with all permanent staff members. Our final metrics confirmed our success. A 27% increase in productivity, 99.4% picking accuracy, and high attendance rates, all contributing to a healthier bottom line. In retrospect, replacing 30% of the staff was absolutely the right decision, proving that flexibility and efficiency can go hand in hand with cost savings. To replicate our success, follow the agency worker success cycle. Assess your needs, carefully select your partner, focus on onboarding, and monitor your KPIs consistently. This model is ideal for e-commerce, 3P to leaders providers, and distribution hubs facing growth or labor shortages. It's a powerful tool if your fixed labor costs are straining margins. Comparing our metrics before and after shows clear improvements: higher order volume, better satisfaction, and reduced costs, making our strategy a true competitive advantage. The biggest surprise was the culture of continuous improvement brought by our new team members, which helped us identify processes we had previously overlooked. Thank you for watching this breakdown. Be sure to subscribe for more insights on optimizing your own warehouse operations and achieving similar success.